Hey, I'm Sarah. I was just sent this magnetic dry erase calendar set. This thing has got it all. So in the set, you get a magnetic, which if you wanted to cut it down to whatever size you want, you feel free to do that. This thing can be cut, but you get a magnetic list. You can stick on your refrigerator or any magnetic surface. You get a monthly planner that you can change out, reuse it every single month. You just erase it off and start back over. And then you also get like a schedule that you can use with your family or people you're living with. You've got meal plans, shopping lists, notes, inventory. So that makes it super simple to be able to keep track of, hey, we ran out of milk. And whoever it is can just easily write it down on the list, and then you know what to shop for. And that all just easily hangs up right on the refrigerator. To make it even better, it comes with markers. You get 5 dry erase markers and an eraser. So each one of the markers, this is my favorite, they each have a magnet, so they stick to the refrigerator as well. So you're never on the run looking for something to write with whenever you need it. So it makes it super convenient. You can come in here and write your month and your days in here. And then if you did have an appointment, you can just write it down in here. Whenever you're done with it, or if it changes, it easily erases off with either your marker or with your eraser. Erase it off and you're good to go. Such a nice, convenient set that just sticks right on your refrigerator.